Okay, welcome. Today we are going to look at chemical kinetics. Let me quickly summarize what chemical kinetics is all about. Chemical kinetics is the aspect of chemistry that deals with the rates at which chemical reactions take place. Or we can simply say it studies the speed of a reaction. We should know that different chemical reactions occur at different speeds. For instance, if I want to react hydrogen gas with nitrogen gas to produce ammonia, the speed at which that reaction will occur will be different from the speed in which a reaction between sodium hydroxide and an acid to give us a salt and water will occur. So different chemical reactions occur at different speeds. Some reactions are very fast enough, while some are very slow. Okay, now the most important thing here is that we are dealing with the speed at which chemical reactions take place. That is what chemical kinetics is all about. Now, you should know this. As chemical reactions proceed, the quantity of the reactants you have inside the reaction vessel, as reaction goes on, the reactant quantity or concentration continues to diminish. It continues to go down, while the concentration of the product continues to come up. It increases. That means the reactant is being consumed. It is being converted into the product. So as the reaction goes on, the quantity of the reactant you have in the container continues to go down. Why is it going down? Because it is being converted to the product. Do you understand this? Now, in terms of rate of reaction, if we are talking about rate with respect to the reactant, we will say it has a negative effect. Rate of a reaction has a negative impact on the reactant. Why do we say so? Because it leads to the decrease in the quantity of the reactant. But the reaction rate of a chemical reaction has a positive impact on the product. Why do we say so? Because as reaction goes on, the quantity of the product you have there continues to increase until the end of the reaction. Now notice, generally, reaction rates, mathematically, rates of a chemical reaction is equal to the change in concentration divided by the change in time. Change in concentration divided by the change in time. Now, if we are considering the reactants, if I'm considering the reactants, I will say that for reactants, rate of a reaction will become negative change in concentration of the reactant all over the change in time. Why do I have this negative sign here? Because I am discussing rate with respect to the reactants. With respect to reactants, remember, as I said, the concentration of the reactant keeps decreasing. It keeps going down as reaction proceeds. Why? Because it is the reactant that is being used to produce the product. So the quantity of the reactant you have there, which you call the concentration, keeps going down. And because it is going down, it is reducing. That's why we say rate is negative with respect to reactants. But with respect to a product, the rate of a reaction is equal to a positive change in concentration all over change in time. So this is with respect to the product. It has a positive sign because as a chemical reaction goes on, the quantity of the product keeps increasing. And that is why it is positive. In the next video, we are going to see how to write expression for reaction rates when chemical equations are given. Click the next video to see what I'm talking about. And thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you.